You've probably heard that new construction homes can save you thousands of dollars when it comes to maintenance, but is that really true? Or are there hidden costs that no one likes to talk about? When people refer to new construction homes as being low maintenance, they're usually referring to a couple things. One, no big repairs for several years, and two, everything's under warranty. And yes, it's mostly all true because, the roof, the HVAC, the water heater, the electrical, the plumbing, the appliances, it's all basically brand new, obviously, right? And the second one is true too also because the builders, they do offer warranties on the different components of your house that'll last anywhere from 1 to as long as 10 years. Each aspect or component of your house will have warranty coverage for a different length of time. But if something does go wrong early on, you're usually going to be covered to be able to have that taken care of. But let's do this. Let's say you're deciding to buy a home. Let's say you're deciding between a resale home that was relatively recently built. Let's say it was built back in 2005. Just to keep it at least as fair as we can, we won't talk about an older home that was built before the 2000s. But you're deciding between buying that and buying a new construction home. Now look, that resale home, it might look great, but is that the original AC unit? Because if it is, there's a good possibility that it could end up needing to be replaced soon. And if that ends up happening, you're looking at least $5,000 to $8,000 to be able to replace that unit. Or what about the roof? If that ends up needing to be replaced too, you're easily talking $10,000 or more for that. But with a new construction home, everything's brand new. You shouldn't have to be touching any of those type of things for at least the first 7 to 10 years. Yeah, your biggest maintenance needs in those first 7 to 10 years might be, replacing air filters or light bulbs.
Are you trying to make it funny?
Hey, real quick, if this is your first time here, my name's Jose and I am your SoCal Realtor. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out. My team and I, we've helped many people just like you, and we're here and ready to help you make your next move too. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and get back to the video. Newer homes are also built to stricter energy codes, meaning they're usually going to come with things like double pane windows or sometimes even triple pane windows, but they're usually going to come with that, better insulation for the house, newer or more energy efficient utilities around the house. And just all of this is going to lead to, at least it should anyway, it should lead to lower utility costs for your house, as well as the fact that a lot less likelihood of any of those needing to be replaced anytime soon. So yeah, definitely in those first 7 to 10 years, new construction homes can offer significant savings in both when it comes to the maintenance as well as the monthly operating costs for your new home. But let's not stop there. Here's what a lot of new construction home buyers aren't aware of until after they've already bought their new home, until after they've already moved in. That backyard, well, at least here in California anyway, it's usually going to be just dirt. If you want landscaping out back, you're on the hook. And depending on what you're wanting, that could add up. Rain gutters, yeah, that's not always included. However, many builders, they do offer that as a paid upgrade. What about window coverings? Nope. You're buying all those yourself. And depending on the size of the home, you could be needing coverings for 10 to 20 windows. And this is another one, though, that many builders do offer as a paid upgrade, but you're still paying for them. Also, ceiling fans or upgraded lighting or sometimes even a garage door opener, they're not always included unless you specifically add them during the design phase, the upgrades. In fact, the last client I helped buy a new construction home, and they love their home, and believe me, it's a beautiful home. But they were telling me that after they moved in, they spent the first 2 weekends just putting up ceiling fans throughout the house. Then there's the HOA, because most new developments here in California, at least here in Southern California anyway. But with a new home, you're going to be part of an HOA. And listen, there certainly are some benefits that do come with being in an HOA. But HOAs do come with a monthly fee that you pay to be a part of that HOA every month. So no, you're obviously not fixing things like the roof or the HVAC or the plumbing or electrical, whatever. You're obviously not fixing things like that in those early years. But as I just showed you, you are still spending some money. But if we fast forward, right, if we go to year number 7 or year number 10 or year number 15, whatever, right? But at that point, those things are getting a little older. The HVAC system, it's starting to get a little bit of age on it. The water heater, it might need to be replaced. And those, the home warranty that your home came with, well, if this is 10 or 15 years down the road, then yeah, they likely expired already.
That's just great.
Being fair to that resale home though, I mean, if it was well maintained by the homeowner, or maybe before putting that house on the market, maybe that homeowner, they recently replaced things like the roof or the HVAC or maybe the water heater, then sure, in that case, you're probably not going to have to worry about replacing things like the roof or the HVAC or water heater anytime soon. But the likelihood of everything having been recently replaced, everything being pretty new, I mean, it's probably not very likely. So while yes, as we just talked about, in most cases, from a maintenance perspective, you're certainly going to save money with a new construction home, but over the lifetime of ownership of that home, the savings gap between a new construction home and a resale home, over time, that savings gap does slowly start to shrink. Now, this isn't necessarily scientific. This is just my opinion based on my experience in the industry. But do I see a financial benefit, I should say, in purchasing a new construction home? I do, actually. And the first one is probably the most obvious. This is the one that's for the homeowner that's looking to be the first one to ever have lived in their home. They want a home that comes with a fresh, clean slate. There really is something powerful about being the first person to ever live in your home. No one else's choice is to have to go in and undo. Okay, now great, now it's the way I prefer it to be. No mystery stains in the house, no patches in the ceiling that you're like, great, I gotta take care of that. Because everything's brand new. Everything is built and customized to your preferences.
Love it!
Also, there's that whole energy efficiency that comes with a new home. As I said just a moment ago, I mean, new homes are built to stricter codes, meaning they might come with things like smart thermostats, or energy efficient windows, or LED lighting in the house, or solar up on the roof. Actually, all new homes come with solar today. The point though is that all those things, they certainly should help lead to lower monthly utility bills for your house and honestly a much smoother overall living experience. New build homes are also perfect for people that don't want to deal with contractors or remodeling. Don't misunderstand me though, resale homes can absolutely be charming, no question about it. It's just that they oftentimes can come with a to-do list, meaning this, maybe the kitchen's a little older and it needs to be updated, or maybe the flooring, that's a little older and it needs to be replaced. Or maybe there's just cosmetic repairs or updates that just need to be done or should be done around the house. But with a new construction home, that's not the case. You get to pick all the finishes up front and it's done before you ever move in. No need for contractors, no concerns about demo days, and better yet, I mean, no stress for any of that. New build homes are also great for first-time buyers that want fewer surprises. If you've never owned a home before, the idea of being able to walk into a brand new home, everything's new. You have warranties that cover you for all the major appliances and systems in the house. So, no need to worry about replacing or repairing things like that anytime soon. I mean, that can be a huge weight lifted off your shoulders. Does that mean then that new construction homes are perfect for everyone? And the answer is no, they're not.
Definitely not what I expected him to say.
If you're buying on a little bit of a tighter budget, then honestly, oftentimes resale homes are going to give you a little bit more square footage for your purchase price, or resale homes might be a better option if you're looking for things like maybe a bigger backyard, or you're looking for mature landscaping around the house, or you want to be nearby, or maybe even walking distance to things like restaurants or shops or schools. Yeah, new construction homes are oftentimes anyway, they're going to be built a little bit further out away from those things. But if that's the case, then yeah, you may be better off purchasing a resale home, not to mention just the simple fact that there are people that prefer the character and charm that come with an older home, even if there is the possibility of more maintenance. After hearing this, which one are you leaning more toward, a new construction home or a resale home? Of course, if you do have any questions at all, or if you are thinking about buying or selling a home, new construction or resale, either way, my contact information is below. Feel free to reach out. Otherwise, until then, we'll catch you on the next one.